Hey garden friends! Are your veggies looking a little stressed out? Maybe the bugs are biting, your tomato leaves are curling and speckled with holes, or your zucchini flowers are dropping before they even fruit, like they're waving a white flag. It might seem like your garden's under siege, but don't worry, we've got some blooming allies ready to fight back. Well, today, I'm letting you in on a garden secret that's fun, colorful, and seriously powerful. We're talking flowers that supercharge your vegetable garden by repelling pests, attracting pollinators, and just making your garden look gorgeous while they work overtime. These flowers don't just sit pretty, they're garden warriors with petals. Yes, flowers that do it all. A garden full of flowers isn't just beautiful, it's strategic. We all know marigolds and nasturtiums are popular favorites, but today we're going beyond the usual picks. Here's a pro tip. Consider planting a cut flower garden right next to your veggie patch. Why? Because a blooming flower bed is like a billboard for pollinators, attracting bees, butterflies, and beneficial insects from all around. They'll wander over to your veggies for a snack, helping with pollination and pest control. Plus, you get the added bonus of beautiful bouquets to bring inside. It's the perfect mix of productivity and beauty. Now let's get right into the Flower Power Warriors lineup. Kicking things off with a fun and colorful flower, zinnias are up first. Zinnias are the show-offs of the garden, attracting bees, butterflies, and hoverflies who help with pollination and pest control. These flowers are perfect for planting between rows of squash and cucumbers, and their height adds a dramatic flair to your garden. They also attract predators that love to munch on aphids and caterpillars, keeping those pests at bay while making your garden look beautiful. With a rainbow of bold colors and blooms that last all summer, zinnias are both eye-catching and functional. Plus, they're super easy to grow, even for beginner gardeners or those with limited space. Their resilience in heat and drought makes them a reliable choice, thriving with minimal fuss. Next on the list is the ground-covering powerhouse, Sweet Alyssum. These tiny fragrant flowers form a carpet of blooms that attract beneficial insects like hoverflies and parasitic wasps, who feast on aphids and other harmful pests. Plant them along the edges of your raised beds or under your tomatoes and peppers. Sweet Alyssum loves creating a microclimate that keeps the soil moist and cool, while also being a great companion to any vegetable bed. Feeling inspired yet? Let's add even more color and purpose to your garden with our next fabulous flowers. Calendula, the flower with the prettiest petals and healing powers. Calendula repels aphids, whiteflies, and asparagus beetles, and it can even improve soil health with its long taproots. Tuck these beauties around your carrots, lettuce, and brassicas. They're perfect for cooler weather and partial sun, and when you're not using them to protect your garden, you can use calendula petals in herbal teas, balms, and salves. Next, let's talk about the bright and cheerful cornflowers and black-eyed Susans. Cornflowers add a splash of vivid blue, attracting bees and beneficial insects, while black-eyed Susans are tough, low-maintenance pollinator magnets that bloom for months. These flowers thrive in poor soil and drought, making them perfect for those tricky, overlooked spots in your garden that need a pop of color. By supporting a steady flow of pollinators and natural pest predators, they help maintain balance in your ecosystem, ensuring your veggies stay happy, healthy, and full of life all season long. Plus, their long-lasting blooms make excellent cut flowers, adding charm indoors. They self-seed easily, spreading beauty year after year without extra effort. Now that we've brightened things up with cornflowers and black-eyed Susans, let's keep the good vibes blooming with another garden hero. Moving on to borage, which doesn't just look pretty, it attracts bees like nobody's business. Seriously, borage calls in the pollinators like it's hosting a garden rave. Plant it near your strawberries, tomatoes, and squash to not only boost pollination, but to also deter pests like tomato hornworms and cabbage worms. Borage flowers are edible, and they have a cucumber-like taste that makes them a fun addition to your garden salads. Next up, we have yarrow, the flower that attracts all the right bugs. Yarrow's feathery blooms bring in ladybugs, lacewings, and other beneficial insects that munch on garden pests. It's perfect for planting near your leafy greens and fruiting plants. Yarrow also enhances essential oil production in herbs like rosemary and thyme. It's a garden multitasker that helps maintain a healthy, balanced ecosystem in your garden. Next, let's move on to the lovely cosmos, with their light, airy blooms that add a dreamy touch to your garden. These flowers draw in parasitic wasps and hoverflies, which help manage aphids, thrips, and other pests. Plant them at the back of your garden beds where they can rise above your vegetables and sway in the breeze. Cosmos don't just look pretty. They're also doing the important job of pest control and boosting your garden's pollination. They thrive in poor soil, require little water and self-seed generously, making them a low-maintenance favorite for long-lasting beauty and beneficial insect support. Your garden's looking good already, but let's kick it up another notch with more blossoms that double as pest patrol. Flowering carrot and dill are another dynamic duo. These plants are a magnet for beneficial insects like ladybugs and tachinid flies, which feast on garden pests. Plant these near your brassicas like cabbage, kale, and broccoli. Dill also supports cucumbers and attracts swallowtail butterflies, making it a perfect companion for your vegetable garden. Flowering carrot and dill act like the silent security guards of your garden, keeping pests in check while adding beauty and flavor to your space. So there you have it. Your key to a supercharged vegetable garden starts with a few powerful pest-repelling flowers. Plant them with intention, and let nature do the heavy lifting while your veggies thrive like never before. If you loved this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which flowers you're adding this season. Until next time, stay rooted and keep blooming, friends.